Today we'll talk about how can you disable receive notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just come here to receive notifications here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean receive notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.